Hi guys, here we've got TCL 205 and let me show you how to activate Google Backup on this device. So at first just open the settings, then pick System and enroll Advanced Options. Now select Backup, and unless it is active, just make sure that this indicator is on. And then it's time to add your Google account. So just click on Account and provide your account details. So it's about your email address or phone number, whatever you are using, and obviously then the password. And now the password. And as only it is done, I agree then, and now your account will be added. Just click on Accept. And here you've got it. So as you can see, from now on, your backup is active, and it includes your apps and data, call history, contacts, device settings, and also messages. So just tap on OK, and that will be all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.